Okay, so one of the problems we have is noise in this room, and we have a solution. The noise comes through here. We could put some curtain down or something, but we think we have a better solution. We are going to put just a wall, a fake ceiling that just goes a metre or so, come through here. And if you look around, you'll see that ceiling would go to there and then up to there. And that would go all the way across. That bit, the vertical bit that Nikos is showing might not exist, and we just stuff all that with foam all the way across to the other end. And I think that would, you'd have a fair chunk of foam, and I think that would solve the noise problem. Great.